Welcome to Air Conditioner Repair, Brooklyn, Portland, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're in search of trustworthy HVAC contractor in your region, you need to look to no one else than Right Now Heating and Cooling. We offer services for commercial and residential properties. With over 25 years of experience in the industry, we boast all of the knowledge and experience needed to resolve even the most difficult HVAC issues. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are skilled in all aspects of the heating and cooling industry. They offer outstanding services with excellent results, outstanding customer service, and affordable prices. Our team takes pride in being up to date on the latest codes and technologies in order to keep your family and your home healthy. No matter how complex or huge the task is, we are happy with what they do. This shows in our high-quality workmanship. Our HVAC technicians handle small heating and cooling needs from maintenance calls to major central installation of cooling and heating systems. We only use factory-trained technicians. They're top in the business, which means the work you do will be done perfectly the first time. With Right Now Heating and Cooling, we anticipate to continue our partnership long after the new equipment has been installed or repaired. Our ongoing service is designed to keep your unit operating optimally without disrupting breakdowns. We provide a wide range of services that include furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, as well as many other services. Our philosophy is to provide an affordable price and skilled HVAC technicians. We also stand behind the work we do with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our HVAC technicians are ready to assist you with any heating or cooling repair or installation service for your business or home. We provide pricing options on all repairs/expert, guaranteed workmanship, emergency and weekend service, as in warranties for all parts and labor. Visit our website or call us at 503-300-6124.